What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and right now I'm heading home because I have to go pick up some parts that I had to order for Mendez because he told me I was gonna need them. I just left work right now. It's the same day that I ended the other video. From there I'm gonna head to his house and I'm gonna show you guys a big update on the job he's doing on the car. We're getting closer and closer to the day where it's running and fucking turboed. It's unbelievable, man. I've been waiting for this for over a year now. I got that kit like in 2021, like around December, I want to say. I'm like so like mind blown right now. Like I cannot believe what the fuck is going on, because you already know I was gonna do this originally to the first 370Z I got, but shit happened and I got a V1. And I mean, I always wanted a V1, so the timing couldn't be better, because if I did it to the other one I would have never got that V1, or I would have got it and flipped it if anything. But yeah, guys, enough of me rambling on, because I know if I keep recording I'm gonna just keep talking. I'm probably gonna show you guys the parts that I bought, and after that we're gonna head to Mendez's house because he told me he should be there around 6. Right now I just got the parts. I opened the boxes, they're right in front of me. Got lead hoses for the car, mainly because some of the hoses are fucked on it either way, so that's why I bought them. I was gonna go with black, but Mendez kind of low-key convinced me to get the red ones because, well, the car has red accents. I was gonna go with black because I like everything black. I got them. I don't even know most of these where they go, but yeah, I got the whole kit from Z1, and then I also got the Z1 spacer. He told me I was gonna need it for the turbo because it's gonna be oil fed, so I was gonna need it since on the sides, I don't know, like right here for example, I could just bolt easily the hoses that go from oil to the turbo. It would have been a lot easier to do this instead of drilling the holes out and trying to figure that shit out. I'm gonna throw in little clips he sent me through his phone. Basically, like what I'm gonna show you right now is gonna be in these videos. So y'all see the motor's out now. I took it out earlier. I'm just waiting for the homie to pull up so I can get the motor held on the stand. All this stuff is out. I'll worry about the internal C-Max CSS delete. I highly recommend if you're doing any job trans. 100% recommend. I hate internal slaves. They go out and within 1,000 miles or after beating the car, and especially in boost, they don't hold up as much. From what I've seen and heard of from people's experiences, and I've dealt nothing but with C-Max since I've been in the VQ game. So first things first, we'll be getting down to this bad boy. We get into the cams, bar covers, timing cover, pop all that off, and yep. Got the motor on the stand. Check out valve covers both sides. Now we're just gonna just remove the front timing cover, take off the crank pulley, and now this is gonna leak out, and then we'll be back whenever it's off. Got everything off, all the bolts, you just pry it off. It'll come right off. Then you have the VQ and you have this sandwich plate for OEM. These I recommend highly taking them off. Doesn't do anything, doesn't help. It just makes everything worse, especially during a hot traffic day. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing ready for the cams, oil pump, and etc, etc. And yep, front and rear timing cover are off. The VO, the computer in the back, the modules, they're both off. Ladders are off. Caps are too. So now just take off the actual exhaust cam for both sides and put the new June cams in, drop them in, do the same thing. So we're gonna inspect, clean off the silicone. So exhaust cams on both sides are removed. Everything else is removed as well. As you clean off the silicone and drop into the June cams, clean off all the surface around the stuff like this, which is typical like this. So yeah, one step closer. So I got the cams in.
Both sides, you should assemble everything back on. I cleaned out all the silicone on the heads, all around the motor. Alright, here we got the same thing. Cleaned it off all around. So now it's just a matter of time of putting everything back on. It is currently 4 or 3 in the morning, one of those. Here's the progress. So I think tomorrow should be like reassembling everything, torquing everything out to spec, and then put everything back. Yeah, there's June cams. Driver side. Here is passenger side. I'm gonna get more assembly lube out right now. All the bolts are torqued to its spec. I marked all the 10 millimeters for the ladder. Oh shit. For the ladder, same thing here. As you can see, everything's lubed up. Nothing was installed dry.
Look, brother, I'm gonna tell you what's going on. You see this right here? This is your flywheel. Okay.
For real?
Yep,
Yeah,
I'm
so look.
saying as quiet as I can.
So the sensor's here, and it reads the flywheel. And then this one, it looks like the flywheel, but it's not. This is actually your brake pad rotor.
Oh shit, for real?
Mhm,
That's
yeah.
where that goes.
You thought your rotors were outside of the car? No, they're inside the motor.
Dang. Fact of the day.
I went to UTI.
Motor out. Gone. Disappeared.
What's going on, guys? It's been a few days from that last clip. Pretty much the rest of the night, we were just chilling. We didn't do much else to the motor. Mendez did put some hoses in the engine bay while the motor was out. Those hoses are hard to get to when the motor's in, so he decided to do that. He did run out of silicone or whatever he uses to close the motors. So because of that, he couldn't do more because he still had to silicone the oil pan and put it on the car, on the engine. Other than that, yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all we did. You guys also got to meet Miguel. He's the genius who was telling me about the parts in the motor in the video. I was gonna wait a few days to put more stuff in this video, but sadly, Mendez couldn't do more. He had some stuff that came up, so yeah, he couldn't do much more work than what he already did in this video. Right now it's Monday of about a week since I gave him the car. I think, in my opinion, he's done a lot of work already, so it's alright for me either way. That's gonna be it for this video. Please like, subscribe. As always, I'm gonna tag Miguel and Mendez's Instagrams on the video and in the description down below. You guys could go follow them if you want. Huge shout out to Mendez. Honestly, like, the amount of detail he's going into these videos is pretty badass. I'm happy that he's doing it and agreed to do it, because like now you guys can see a little bit of what goes into it if you guys never seen how it is to do cams on a car, open the motor and do everything like the water pump, oil pump, gears, and all that other stuff. I'm glad you guys get to see it. I know usually I'm not this detailed in my videos. I want to be this detailed in my videos. I'm just, usually it's hard for me to explain things. So the fact that he's explaining stuff in the videos, I didn't even ask him to like talk in the videos. Like, I was just gonna have little like clips of updates with like music in the background, kind of like you saw more on this video. But I do appreciate that he talked about what he's doing on the car and everything. It's pretty badass. Huge shout out to him though. If you guys have anything that you want to do to your cars, and you guys don't know how to do it and want to hire someone to do it, and you guys are in the DFW area, I know that Mendez does travel to Houston here and there. I don't know if he's willing to travel anywhere else that's farther or further than that, but it doesn't hurt to ask. You can always ask him. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys who are looking at the videos, and especially the ones that are liking them and also watching them to the end. So big shout out to you guys if you guys watch the videos all the way to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully we can keep this going and keep making videos. I'm trying to make them more funnier, kind of like today I showed a little bit of like our humor. But yeah guys, next time I'll probably go is probably gonna be when the motor is either in the car, or he's probably gonna be doing the wiring for the fueling. One of the two. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.